Good morning, my dear students. Today I will discuss some important questions on mathematics. Yes, my students, and I already discussed the previous class matrix, and I have to do next class. Look, my dear students, some questions are like this. Suppose 3 and another matrix 2 1 3 2 plus x. It is another matrix is given by 1 2 3 4 and it is given like this. So in such cases, my dear students, suppose it is given that 1 2 3 4 and question given according to the questions you have to find x. Just you have to find what? X. So my dear students, at first you have to multiply these numbers with all these, then you get, when you multiply this with all these numbers, then you have to find x. That means you have to find the x from here. So in such cases, at first you have to multiply all this one. So I just gave one example. So you multiply just all these numbers, then you get 6, and this number multiply 3, these two number 9, these two number 6, plus again you multiply just all this one, x, 2x, 3x and 4x, and right side you have to write as it is 1 2 3 4. Now look at these two terms, these two matrix. At first you have to add it. At first you have to add these two matrix. So you have to do like this. First term. When you add these two matrix, then first term should be added by first term. So 6 plus x, 6 plus x, again 3 plus 2x, again this term 9 plus 3x and 6 plus 4x. Again these two terms you have to write like this 1 2 3 4. Now my dear students, first term should be compared by first. Okay, second term should be compared by second, and third term should be third, and fourth term should be fourth. So you get the value of x. Anyone you just compare. Here I give one example, and this example only just you have to learn what the questions have to solve. So in these cases, just you compare the first one. The 6 plus x equal to 1. Therefore x equal to 1 minus 6. You get how much? Minus 5. And this type of the questions in the next exercise 3.2. So I think you understand. Anyone, just anyone you compare. If there is the x, y, z, then you have to compare all this one and solve simultaneously all the questions, and you get the result. Next question. Suppose the next question is given by you. Exercise 3.2. Question number 11. It is given x and 2 3 plus y minus 1 1 equal to 10 5. Just need to find the value of x and y. It is the question number 11, exercise 3.2. So you multiply all these numbers. You multiply just all these numbers, then you get 2x and 3x. Next, just you added these numbers, you multiply this one, then you get minus 1 and y. Again, right side is as it is, you write 10 5. Now you added these two numbers, then you get how much? 2x of y, 2x minus y and 3x plus y. And this right side 10 5. So my students, look here. Now you get the first part 2x minus y equal to 10. Now you just compare on both sides. You get 2x minus y equal to 10 and 3x plus y equal to 5. So this is the two linear equations. Now you just solve these two linear equations and you get the answer. So my students, look here. if I added number first and number second, then minus x plus minus y plus y cancel, you get almost 5x and equal to 15, x equal to 3. So I get x equal to almost 3. Now you just submit here in the equation second. So 3 into 3 plus y equal to 5. So y equal to 5 minus 9 equal to almost minus 4, and that is your answer. So my students, I think you understand. Just I get the value of x and y, and like this you have to solve the exercise 3.2. Next type question I will provide you. Question number 12 also same to same. Now look at question number 13. In case of the question number 13, it is given f of x equal to, it is given that cos x minus sin x and 0. Another function is given sin x and cos x 0. Next 0 0 1. You have to show that f of x into f of y equal to f of x plus y. Just you have to prove this one. So let's look here. It is given that f of x equal to this parts, and you have to prove that f of x into f of y equal to f of x plus y. So in these cases, look here. If this is x, you have to write the function is x. If it is y, then you have to write here y. So my students, just you find the value of f of y. F of y, then that means instead of x, you just write here y minus sin y and it is 0. Next sin y cos y 0 0 0 1. So I get the value of f of y. Now just multiply f of x into f of y. So I get f of x is how much? Cos x minus sin x 0, sin x and cos x here 0 and 0 0 1. Again cos y minus sin y here 0, or sin y cos y 0 here and 0 0 1. So I think you get the answer f of x into f of y. Now you just multiply all these terms, then you get how much? Just multiply. Row should be multiplied by column. This row should be multiplied by column, then you get how much? Cos x and cos y. You get cos x and cos y. Just I multiply these two terms. Again, this term multiply by this minus sin x sin y. Again, this term multiply by this, then you get how much? 0. 0 no need to write here. Again, this row column, this row multiply by this column, then when you multiply these two terms, then you get minus cos x sin y. Again, these two terms, you get minus sin x and cos y. So I think I understand my dear students. Just I multiply this row and this column. Again this part equal to 0, because when you multiply these two terms, you get how much? 0. Again this row multiply by this column, you get how much? 0 0 and 0. Because this row should be multiplied by this third row, third column. Again these terms, this row should be multiplied by this, and this also multiplied, and this also multiplied. So when you multiply all these terms, then you get how much? Sin x cos y, sin x cos y, again cos x sin y, cos x sin y, because this term multiply by this, and this one also this. When you multiply these two terms, then you get how much? 0. No need to write here. Again this row multiply by this, then you get how much? Minus sin x sin y, and this row you get cos x cos y. Again these two terms you get how much? 0. Again you multiply these terms by this, then you get how much? Only just 0, because this term multiplied by 0, this is also multiplied by 0, and 0 also multiplied by 1. Again this row, third row, multiply by this and this. When you multiply by this, then you get how much? 0. When you multiply by this, you get also 0. When you multiply by this, then you get how much? Only just 1. Now the question is, it is the identity cos x cos y minus sin x sin y. So it is the identity of cos x plus y, and when you are taking common from these two terms, then you get how much? Minus cos sin a cos b plus cos a sin b. It is the identity of sin x plus y. At first you have to take the common, after that you get the sin x plus y. It is the identity, and the part is 0. Next, these terms sin a cos b plus cos a sin b. It is the identity of sin x plus y. And when you are taking sin a cos b minus sin a sin b, it is the cos x plus y, and it is for 0 0 0 1, and that is your answer. And this part is equal to f of x plus y. So I think you understand what I am going to discuss in these questions. So my students, look here, there are so many parts I already get, and I already get the answer of these questions. Next question of 13 already finished. Next question is given, question number 15, 16 and 17. Question number 3 questions are very important. So look here my students, question number, suppose the 15. Question number 15, you have to find a in square minus 5a plus 6 into I. I means identity matrix according to A. Order according to A. So it is given here 2 0 1 and 2 1 3 and 1 minus 1 0. At first you have to find what? Just you have to find a square minus 5a plus 6i. So that means at first you have to find the a square. A square means a into a. A is given by 2 0 1 2 3 2 1 3 and 1 minus 1 0. Again a, and this a is 2 0 1 2 1 3 1 minus 1 0. Now you multiply this row multiply by this column, row multiply by column. 2 into 2 how much? 4. 0 into 2 plus 0. 1 into 1 plus 1. Again this row multiply by this column, so you get how much? 0 0 minus 1. Again this row multiply, you get how much? 2 and 0, and this two term multiply, you get also again 0. Again this row multiply by this, then you get how much? 4 and plus 2 and plus 3. Again you get how much? 0 1 and minus 3. Again multiply by this row, then you get how much? 2 3 and 0. So third row multiply by first column, this row multiply by this, then you get how much? 2 minus 2 and here 0. So my students, like here minus 1 and 0. So I think understands what I am going to discuss here. Just you have to multiply the row and column. Again this row multiply with this, then you get how much? 1 minus 3 again 0. Now I get, when I calculate, I get here 5 minus 1 2, here how much? 5 9, here minus 2, here 5 0 minus 1 minus 2. So I already get the a square. Now you just submit here. A square is how much? A square means 5 minus 1 2 9 minus 2 5 and 0 minus 1 minus 2 minus 5. So minus 5 a means how much? 2 0 1 2 1 3 1 minus 1 0 plus 6 and I is 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1. Now you just multiply all this one, then you get how much? Look here. It is the 5 minus 1 2 9 minus 2 5 0 minus 1 minus 2, and you just multiply minus 5, then you get minus 10 0 minus 5 and again minus 10 minus 5 and minus 15. This multiply all this one. Now we multiply minus 5 minus minus plus 5, and these two terms you get how much? 0 plus. Now just you multiply 6 all these terms, then you get 6 6 6 and remaining terms are 0. Now you edit all this one. When you edit, look carefully. When you edit, the first term should be multiplied by added by first. So first element is 5, second element is minus 10, and third element is 6. You have to do like this. Again minus 1 plus 0 plus 0. Again 2. Here 2 minus 5. Third term minus 5 and plus 0. So again 9 minus 10 and plus 0. Again minus 2 minus 5 and plus 6. Again 5 minus 15 plus 0. Again so 0 minus 5 and plus 0. Again minus 1 plus 5 plus 0. Again minus 2 plus 5 plus 6. Now just edit all these numbers and you get the result like this. When you edit, then you get 1 minus 1 and minus 3, and remaining terms are minus 1, and here given what? Minus 7 minus 1, and here given minus 10, here minus 5 4, and here 11 9, and that's the answer by the students. Okay, I think you understand. Thank you.